videos, just wrapped up my overall thoughts on Plovdiv, so this is the actual start of the next video. We're heading to Stara Zagora, which I'm super excited about because I actually booked myself a hotel room instead of a hostel just so I can have a little me time. And I think sometimes that's really good when you're traveling. So just got everything all packed up, like I said. Just waiting for some things to charge. I have a couple hours before I leave, and I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna watch a little Netflix maybe, just to kind of bide the time. And yeah, so let's get this day started, right? That's what I typically say. It's gonna be a fun travel day. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Good morning, Shadows. So it is my first official day of checking stuff out in Stara Zagora. I took a day off yesterday, just kind of did some work. I think that's going to be kind of a typical Monday thing, trying to really figure out a schedule that keeps me on track, because I do my freelance stuff and I have my YouTube channel and I have my blog. And then I have a bunch of personal projects I'm doing, so really trying to figure out a schedule, and I think that's important when you're traveling, especially if you're working and traveling, to find the schedule that works for you. And so tried something out and I think it's gonna work. But today we are heading out to check out the city park and all the sites around it. I think like there's like a museum, there's definitely the opera house, just definitely some cool things to see. And then I think tomorrow we're gonna walk a little bit further and we're gonna hit, there's this park that has I think it's called Ayazamoto Park, and it's got a zoo in it and a couple cool things. So tomorrow I think it's all gonna be about nature and that kind of stuff. Yeah, so I think that's the plan, and then after that we head to Burgas, so that's going to be pretty cool. But right now let's just talk about Stara Zagora and let's see what's going on. So I say let's get this day started, yeah? Alright, let's get going. Alright guys, so made it to the park. It was a pretty nice walk. It's basically through almost a whole pedestrian area as well as like a shopping area. The park looks amazing. Check it out. So there's a couple of things here. Honestly, guys, I have a feeling Stara Zagora is going to be kind of a short vlog, but I want to say just the impression I get so far is that I think it's overlooked. There are a lot of places to do around it, and there's a couple things that if I had been here on the right days I would have totally done. There's like a beer museum and you can do like a walkthrough and taste, but they're only on Fridays and Saturdays. There is Kazanlak, which is about a 30-minute like bus ride out of town, where you can see a lot of really great, you know, nature and historical things. I only have 2 days and I really want to make it about Stara Zagora, because I do, like I say, think like it's kind of overlooked tourist wise. I mean, I haven't seen, honestly, I think I might be the only tourist that I've seen, so that in and of itself says something. And yeah, so I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes, kind of cool off, because even though there's a breeze, it's still pretty warm, and then we will walk around this park, see the sights, check out the opera, and yeah, let's see what Stara Zagora is all about. time it'll work. I actually had to push record. Craziness. So walking through the park, I found the opera, which is amazing. I'm gonna go check it out and see if maybe there's a chance I could see one. But I also found this. Check it out. So pretty cool. Like I said, I think I'm gonna check out the opera, and then there is a theater over here. Maybe see if maybe there's something I can see tomorrow. If not, you know, there's always Burgas and Varna. They both have operas as well. Might be easier to see one like on the weekend. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down, check it out, see what's going on, kind of tool around a little bit. I think it's gonna be a pretty early day, in fact, because this is really all I had on my list of things to do. So, because tomorrow I'm doing Ayazamoto, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is about an hour walk from a hotel. So it's a little bit more of a walk, so a little bit longer of a day. Alright guys, let's get this going. So these ruins here are free for you to just stroll through. No one's told me no, so I'm gonna go up and see what it's like up here. I really, holy crap, this is cool. So, sorry, looking at the sky for a second, check it out. What? And no one is saying no. So I'm gonna continue to walk up, see what it's like up here. Okay, so it looks like they're preserving some stuff, which is kind of cool. Let me show you. So that's pretty darn cool. I think I'm gonna take a couple photos and then head back the other way to see the rest of the unbelievable.